Hello everyone, today we're making ground beef fingers, my fajita inspired twist on kebab. It is a one-pan dinner that is full of flavor, easy to meal prep, and so satisfying. Honestly, I've been obsessed with it and I could not wait to share it with you. So let's start. I'm using about 750 grams of ground beef. To that, add 1 grated onion. You can use a grater or even a mixer for this. Then add half a cup of finely chopped parsley and half a cup of breadcrumbs. Mix everything together. Then add a tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once everything is mixed together, add your spices. And this dish is rich in flavor. Add salt, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, dried coriander, and black pepper. Give it a really good mix until everything is fully incorporated. You're gonna mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that all the spices, all the ingredients are fully mixed together. Now for the fun part, shaping them into fingers. You could also make patties or meatballs, but I love this shape. It looks great in the dish, and because the pieces are small, they really soak up the sauce and flavors as they cook. If you want perfectly even pieces, you can weigh them first, but I usually just eyeball it. Just cut the mixture into even portions, then roll each one between your hands or right on the cutting board to shape them into fingers, just like what I'm doing. I ended up with 32 pieces, which is perfect because this recipe is amazing for meal prep. You can cook as much as you want now and freeze the rest for later. Then you can just fry, grill, or even bake them whenever you want a quick meal. So this is where you can save them for later. For now, I'll pop mine in the fridge for about 30 minutes while we prep the veggies. Slice up 3 bell peppers. I'm using yellow, red, green for color. You can use whichever color you have at home. Just try and slice them as thinly as possible. Along with 1 medium white onion. Then dice 2 tomatoes into medium-sized cubes. Now let's get cooking. Heat a pan over high heat with about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, fry the beef fingers until they are fully cooked. My beef fingers have been resting in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and this is all you need, 30 minutes only. Once they are fully cooked, take them out, then clean up the pan a little, just strain the oil or scoop out the dark bits. Because we're going to use the same pan which has a lot of flavors to cook the rest of the ingredients. In the same pan, add your sliced onion. Once it starts getting some color, add the diced tomatoes. Now mix everything together. Then stir in a teaspoon of tomato paste, and 1 clove of garlic. Let everything combine for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and some smoked paprika. The smoked paprika gives this dish such an amazing taste. It's really key in this recipe. Look at this sauce, it is so amazing. If you're liking this recipe so far, give it a like. Now toss in the bell peppers, cook them just enough so they soften a little bit, but still keep their texture. At least this is how I like it. To make it nice and saucy, pour in half a cup of water. Once it comes to a gentle simmer, lower the heat to medium and add the beef fingers back in. Let everything simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes so the flavors really come together. I love serving this dish like a fajita with warm tortilla bread and some sour cream. The sauce, the veggies, and the creamy tanginess of the sour cream together, it is just so satisfying. And that is it. You've got yourself an amazing flavorful dinner, plus you will have more beef fingers ready in the freezer for next time. I'll admit, I sneaked a piece right after frying. It was super delicious on its own too. So even the frozen ones are perfect just fried up as is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment if you would try it, and if you love easy recipes you can make ahead, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon with something new for your kitchen. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.